Guys, in this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Intuos draw. So this is what it's looking like, and there you go, you have the full view. Let me just close up this thing. So you have the Intuos draw, easily sketch draw endpoint on your computer, and I don't know this language, maybe Spanish. Free draw pack, valuable creative software, online trailing, and Wacom, they've given this website. Creative pen tablet, everything you need to start creating right away. And over here at the back we have this multiple language. We're gonna read this one only because it's English. Get creative. It is easy to sketch, draw and paint digitally with Intuos Draw. The Intuos pen feels like traditional pencil or paintbrush, and it even responds to your drawing pressure. Get started with the included creating software immediately and unleash your creativity with Intuos Draw. Simple setup, simply plug the USB cable into the PC or Mac and install the driver. You can immediately start creating with the included downloadable software. Okay, so now that we are here, we're gonna read the back. It is easy to sketch, draw and paint digitally with Intuos Draw. The Intuos pen feels like traditional pencil or paintbrush and even responds to your drawing pressure. Get started with included creative software immediately and unleash your creativity with Intuos Draw. Simple setup, simple plug in. Simple plug the USB cable into your PC or Mac and install the driver. You can immediately start creating with the included downloadable software or many other creative applications using optimized settings for express keys or customize them as you want. Product features: pressure sensitive pen, press harder for darker and thicker lines like a real pencil, brush or marker. Express keys, customize the express keys for your favorite shortcuts. Tablet leader: Wacom, the leading brand in creative pen tablets, have supported digital artists and exceptional tools, product support and innovation for more than 30 years. Features list: pressure sensitive pen tip, battery free ergonomic pen with 2 buttons for application specific express keys. Here we have the Wacom Technology Corporation 1311 SE, Cardinal Count, Vancouver, WA, I don't know what that is. I guess Washington? No, I am so, ashamed. Okay, I don't know WA what means. If you know, please leave it in the comments. Okay. Assembled in China, 1-year warranty and technical support are valid only in the USA, Canada and Latin America. For further details, please refer to Wacom's limited warranty statement in the important product information document or the installation CD. I don't know if they're given the installation CD, but there are some laptops that do not offer the CD-ROM, so I don't think they should do that. But if they're given the CD for the software, that's okay, but the software should be plug and play and downloadable from the internet with updates, according to me. So this is a thing you're gonna have to connect, so let's just open this box right here. Okay, pardon me about the reflection of the light, but I don't have much time. Whoa. This is your Intuos, this is your stylus, this is your tablet that's gonna reside over here, and my mic is gonna reside over here so that I can make the tutorials. So let's have a look at this thing. Wow. Slide to open, slide to close. Wacom, thank you so much. Okay, so one quick fact about this is if you're gonna buy from Karachi, you're gonna have to pay more than 17,000 rupees, and if you're in America, then probably you have to pay less than that. Okay, so Intuos, I think this is the cable. Software downloaded bundle. Okay, this is the cable, I guess. Oh, they have these clips right here. My most favorite thing, because these ports usually catch the dust in, so they have sealed this properly. I am so impressed by this. Wow. And this stylus is if I read it correct on the internet, this does not have the battery, because the battery is always a problem of running out, so it has those coils inside. We can detect the pen inside it. So later on I'm gonna connect it onto the computer and then tell how it works. Okay, so this right here is your CD, and as you can see, I'm taking out the CD. Open this thing. We have the Intuos manual and the Intuos CD. So we'll just see if there is important things. Let us just read the manual first, so that if we set up, it's gonna be much easier. Intuos touch pen with this thing. Okay, there's the CD setting up this thing. Okay, so without an internet connection, run the installer from installation CD provided with Intuos and follow the prompts. When the drive installation is complete, your tablet is ready to use. Okay, then we have return to getting started page and check on register and redeem your offers. Enter the software bundle download key located on the lower right corner of your Intuos box. Where's my Intuos box? I don't know, I'll check it later. Registration entitles you to free software use and okay. Complete registration, you'll see registration confirmation. Receive confirmation email. And what do we have on this page is okay, so what are they saying over here? Open up the cover, push and slide up the cover with thumbs. Close the cover, do not push, sit. Hey, you listening now? Okay, replacing the nib, we can also replace the stylus nib. Okay, and then they're giving the important information, wireless accessory kit. Okay, this thing is wireless. Alright. No, I can just not figure it out. Hold on, let me just take this out. Okay, so these are just the caps. And just look at the CD, installation CD. Intuos tablet driver 6.3.17 Windows and Mac 2016 Wacom. All rights reserved Wacom and Intuos are registered trademarks of Wacom Corp. Okay. Other parents. 16, okay. I don't know if the wireless accessory kit is in there or not. I'll let you know. This is the box. And there's nothing in there. Okay, so this is compatibility over here, Microsoft Windows 10, 7, 8, and it can work on Mac OS X as well. Okay, so on this page, what do we have is, I don't know, some language. Okay, you can read later on. I'm just turning on the pages so that you can have the look. Okay, so it's all the repetitive things. I need to I have the Wacom Intuos out of the box. Let me just, I do not have three hands, one to hold the camera, one to pull out the plastic paper. Okay, so I'm gonna just slide it down. Okay, so there you go, your final look of your Wacom tablet. And this right here, they have, this is a sort of cloth right here, and I don't know what's this. I'll figure it out in a while. Okay, so they're saying slide it with both thumbs. Holy moly, what do they have over here? Oh my goodness. Prefer to go wireless? If you wireless battery will go here. Visit wacom.com for details. Okay, so they'll provide a wireless battery. So I do not have a wireless battery at the moment, and this is, I guess, the USB. Okay, so that this thing connects over here. Yeah, what are this thing over here is wireless module goes here, your space pen, and what is this? Excuse me. Hold on, let me just zoom a bit. Your spare pen nibs. Okay, so you can keep your, okay, oh my goodness. They have these spare pen nibs over here for me. Pen nib removal. If you want to remove those pen nibs, then you can remove from here. Wow. USB cable plugs in here. This is so simple, man. I just love this thing. USB cable plugs in here. Wow. And over here they have Intuos pen tablet, United States patents, Taiwan patents are this. These are probably the patent numbers over here. Wacom Corporation Limited. I hope they'll have Tala Studios Corporation one day, and taking out these products one day, inshallah. This device compiles with part 15 of FCC rules operation subject to the following and all that thing. This device may cause harmful interferences. Okay, this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Okay, so what are their meaning is, if you're connected Bluetooth over here, that like I have those Logitech Bluetooth connected over there, so they can probably interfere with this device. That's what they're saying. One advice from me, do not lose these because dust is so much and it's gonna mess with your boards. One thing I want to mention, it's Wacom, not Wacom. I've been pronouncing this whole the wrong time. This right here is your stylus. Hold on. Just keep this close so you can have a close-up view. There are two buttons over here, and the stylus tip is like this. Hold on. Let me just focus this tip. There you go. This is the tip, and it's probably pressure sensitive. Just feels satisfying. Okay, this, the feeling of this thing is a little bit friction because they probably want to have the precision. So I'll probably connect to the computer and test. Then I'm gonna know only how precise this thing is, but the feeling is actually, satisfying. It's actually good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to connect this to. I have connected the CD, and let's hope for the best. There's a message: CD-ROM. Hold on a second. Just install this thing, and you can see I've connected it to the computer, and a white light appears over here. Okay, so you have all the startup.exe. You can see the sound of the CD-ROM. There you go. So tablet. Okay, so I'm gonna have to click to install tablet. Installs the latest software required. Important product information. Getting started. Install tablet. So I'm gonna do downloading tablet software. Okay, so this is taking some time, but my internet connection is not that slow, but it is taking time, so we'll give this time. I think this much amount of information is to be downloaded. So let us just wait for that to download. So right now, it has given us the information. Select left or right-handed mode. Set the default display setting for left or right-handed use, and click the forward arrow button to continue. Hardware installation में save your work and close all open applications before installing your tablet. Okay, my USB cable is plugged in. Okay, new hardware found available. Okay, continue. Accept. Think it has downloaded the software. Wow. This is our website over here. Okay. This is Bamboo Slate. Okay, they're offering a new product. Bamboo Sketch. Okay, so I'm gonna have to minimize this. Driver installation complete. Okay. Close this thing. Now I'm gonna have to check camera preference, utility, properties, expand. Okay, file utility. My preference is remove, cancel. How do I launch this thing? Okay, so this is Wacom Desktop Center. Driver is up to date. My device is no device connected. I've clicked login. I guess I have to sign up for this thing. Okay, so now I have logged in this thing and still I don't know what the problem is. See, the installation should be easy. That's the main issue, you know. If your installation is not easy, then no matter how fine the product is, it's gonna annoy. That was some of what my bad. I just picked up this stylus from there and I was starting to use it, and right now I don't know how to figure this thing out. So right now my stylus is there, it's moving. Let me just spend some time with it. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing as I bring my pen closer to this, I can see the light, this light. Alright, so guys, I'm on paint and the precision is very, impressive. I like it, TALHA, and I'm not looking onto the tablet, I'm directly looking onto the screen. So the precision that I required is, it's good. And as I'll spend time with it, it'll get better. Studios.com. So it's precise, Hey. Yakma. So anyways guys, that's my tutorial for this thing. Wacom tablets, good product. And if you buy from Amazon Prime, it will be $76, and if you buy from Karachi C-Zone, then it will be way too more expensive, 17,000 probably. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm also selling this product. I do not have in my inventory right now, so but I'll sell it for less than, I'll sell it probably for $130, the original product. Okay, and one place I will sell this product, I have this page on Facebook and Karachi Supermarket. Market.com is the page, so you can, it's also a website which is under construction. Here I will sell this product, so go check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. What I'm doing right now is I'm watching some of the tutorials how to configure the spring properly, and I'll get back to you. Wacom people are telling that you can probably work this thing on Photoshop also. There's a whole, video of 59 minutes of this thing, so you can go and watch that video also. This thing is saying that I have to go to this part of the box and register to the Wacom website, so I'm gonna do that. So we are on this page, wacom.com/en support, product support driver, and we are here at this page. So we are now downloading the drivers. Now I am registering the product, and here's the product key, and I'm gonna put in there. Downloaded the software, and this would be the software that is bundled with the Wacom tablet. And what I'm gonna do is they have provided me the serial key, which I have over here. See, this is the serial key that I have to put in, so I'm gonna put and come back. So mashallah, it's working very fine. See, this was the thing I was, my mind was disturbed for this thing for about a month, for more than a month. So that is probably the end of our tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and there are tremendous amount of tools that you can see on the left.